Right, let's see what my wife's doing. Hello, Han.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm preparing for our dinner.
Wow, what's that?
Samgyupsal.
Wow! And I bet we're gonna be using the smokeless grill. Let's grill! Yes! And we're gonna be using our smokeless grill once again. That's a mix of bacon and dim sum. Let's show my hand. We have our chopsticks ready. Do I switch this on? Yeah. Okay, there you go. I'll be getting the wine first. Here it is. You know what? The one good thing about this Zoo and Smoothmore is you have this function where it tracks you, follows you. Hey, you're supposed to be tracking me and not these glasses. Come on. That really smells good. Can I taste?
Yes.
Say hi to my birds. My love birds, Rocky and Sky. Say hi.
Your
So that truly is smokeless, huh? You can smell the aroma, but you can hardly see smoke. Start pouring in the wine. Cheers! Let's eat. Try the dim sum. This is basically what we like on a Friday after a hard day's work. You truly deserve this.
crunchy.
Crunchy.
Sarap pa to sa Korean restaurant.
We had this frustration this morning. We were supposed to eat at a Korean restaurant, ordering samgyeopsal. Apparently, the manager did not allow us to order one samgyeopsal, eat all you can, and for the rest, it's gonna be just the a la carte samgyeopsal. Because they fear that we might go on sharing. They won't allow us to eat that way. We'll buy our own. Now, if you cannot wait for your food to come to the table, just go straight here.
Init.
Oh, Here, want some? I'm gonna try something local. Let's try chicken longaniza. Well, it's starting to rain, and I wanna try something that's local too. Snaku.
Ay, nako.
Ay nako. You know, the one good thing about eating at home is you can practically eat anything right in the comforts of your own garden, in your own sala, in your own room, or even your own bathroom. Do you know why sometimes it's better to eat at the comforts of your own home? Well, it's because of this. We had experiences at fast food restaurants. Most recently was at Burger King and at Domino's. Here's the experience that we had. Alright, we're heading for lunch. We're gonna be eating at Burger King. What's wrong?
Lunch na lang po.
Okay. So it seems my wife really had a hard time at the counter ordering our food. Actually, that was what I noticed the first time we got here. They were kind of slow, and they don't have this sense of urgency in serving their customers. So I don't know. There must be some problems as with regards to their customer service, right? Well, I just hope that the good food here that we ordered, the 4 cheese combo meal, would erase all the bad reputation that my wife experienced with the counter area. By the way, here's our 4-cheese combo meal. This one is the 4-cheese burger. We tasted this one before and we loved it. Chicken nuggets, fries. I believe it also has onion rings, yes, which will be served later. Yeah. Did it erase all the bad reputation that you experienced?
Hindi pa luto yung burger. Binabalikan nila ng binabalikan. Wala pa nga. Sabi mo na nila tabi yung startup. Sila lang mag-take na order.
Probably I'll be needing to speak to the manager later. I just have to enjoy my burgers. That's cheese. You know what good thing? My wife loves cheese. Finally, their onion rings has arrived. I'm going to speak to their manager. This Mark, he's the manager of Burger King Antipolo. First off, I'd like to commend you for one staff here that's helping cleaning up the tables and spread. You might want to consider him for a salary increase. Now, I want to discuss some points regarding your counter staff. They're kind of slow. Yes, they have no sense of urgency. My wife is with me right now, and she told me that it took her so long before she could be entertained by one of your staff at the counter area. When she was about to entertain my wife, to get her orders, she suddenly forgot something, and she attended to that, and all of a sudden, my wife was left alone. So she was not entertained, and she was doing something else. The one reason that we found out that she knew that my wife is waiting for so long was because somebody was supposed to get an order in other than my wife. She pointed out the other girl and told the other girl, "Hey, go entertain my wife instead," because she was waiting there for so long. So she already knew, right?
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah, I did.
But to be honest, sir, there are some crews in our store that they are new and they are still in process of training right now.
Yeah.
That's why and then maybe there's a lot of people around here and the customer. Then I'm so sorry about what happened to your wife for the inconvenience.
Yeah.
That I'm going to talk to my crew for what happened earlier.
You need to talk to them because you know what? They are the frontliners. So basically, they have, first off, they need to smile.
Yes.
Yeah, they need to smile a lot because no matter how many people are there inside your store, they have to smile a lot. That's part of their customer service.
Yes.
That's one of the reasons why other fast food chains are successful because, first off, they put a smile. And that makes their customers smile as well. And it reflects a lot to the company, to your store.
Yes,
Okay?
Thank
So those are just points. You might want to talk to them again. Okay? So there goes. There's Mark,
Nice. Thank you.
manager of Burger King Antipolo. Okay? See you next time. I hope to see you next time. Okay? Okay. I've been waiting for like around more than 10 minutes. It says there that my order's supposed to be out by now, but actually my name's already gone. Now my order's supposed to be at this point of my table, but up until now it's not here. So I don't know what happened. By the way, I'm at Domino's Pizza. I only ordered like 2 calzones, 1 solo pizza, and man, it wasn't like this years back. I used to love this place, but I don't know right now what happened. Maybe I'm gonna like talk to the guys. I'm kind of disappointed. You know, my wife has this craving for calzone, and I don't know.
For dine?
Yeah, just what's this?
Potato wedge? Ay,
I didn't order any potato wedge. Yeah, it's not mine. I need 1 more calzone for takeout, right? Yeah. So where's it? Yeah. Okay. You know, I used to love this place years back when there were like different staff. The problem that I'm having right now is you guys are kind of last. Oh God, because it's quite disappointing because you know I used to love this place. Could it be one reason why people don't go here anymore?
I'm really sorry.
Okay? Next time, please kind of, you know, step it up a bit. Okay? Step it up a bit. Okay? You know, I love the food here. I love the place. I love Domino's since I was in college. Finally gonna eat our pizzas. I'm assuming that this one's good. My wife misses this calzone, and I miss one of their pizzas too. This one's, I think, the classic Domino's pizza. So we're gonna dig in. The good thing is the pizza still tastes good. So how's your calzone? Really good. Okay. But once again, the staff here, you know, their speed, they must step it up a bit. There's really no problem about the food. The food's great. The problem with those fast foods is the customer service. They should prioritize, and they should have this sense of urgency in dealing with their customers. Keeping a smile on their faces would really mean a lot to us customers. So I hope the next time that we go back on those places, man, I hope there's gonna be a very, very big change.
Yung mga bata pa kay pare.
Well,
Wala pa tayong tiyan pare. Pero hindi nga pare. Kailangan
ayos lang yan pare, walang problema. Basta importante, mahal kita.
happy. Sa pare. Ngayon ko lang na to. Nahihilo pa.
Wait lang. Nay. Wait lang. Okay. Okay na. Tama na to sa'yo.
Wala akong ginawa kundi tumawa pa. Tapos, nahihilo ako.
Oo, tama na. After that hearty, meaty meal, here's what's for dessert. Avocado, grey ham, refrigerator cake. Now before you fully get drunk, if you like this video, just hit the like button, and of course we'll be open for all comments and suggestions. And if you want to see more of our videos, just click subscribe! You know what? I'm so lucky to have you as my wife. Up.